Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert or generate a data matrix barcode in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF form and I will insert a data matrix barcode. Now select this form option and this barcode option select and I will insert a barcode box. Now select properties dialog box and go option menu already selected and this symbol is option and select a data matrix and the data matrix barcode now inserted. You can decrease this position. Now select close and select hand option and see this. A data matrix barcode now inserted to my PDF file. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.